the Jazzy Fins Band. Hi kids, how are you today? We are going to draw and color Baby Shark and his family as a jazz band. Isn't it that exciting? Let's get started. Let's begin with Baby Shark, who is playing the guitar in this amazing jazz band. And while you're drawing, I'm going to tell you the coolest story ever. A long time ago, before they were Grandma and Grandpa Shark, they were the coolest jazz band in the ocean. Grandpa Shark, with his stylish hat and smooth mustache, was the best piano player under the sea. Grandma Shark, with her flower in her hair, had a voice so magical that even the whales stopped to listen. They called themselves the Jazzy Fins, and every Saturday night the ocean came alive with their music. Fish, crabs, and even octopuses gathered to dance and sing along. Their music brought so much joy that they became legends in the ocean. Even today, Grandma and Grandpa Shark love telling stories about their band to Baby Shark and his friends, saying, "Those were the days. Music brought everyone together, and we wouldn't trade it for anything." And whenever Baby Shark stomps his guitar or hums a tone, he knows the jazzy spirit of his grandparents lives on him too. Wow, kids! I bet you didn't know this fun story about Grandma and Grandpa Shark, huh? Can you believe that? They were a band! A jazz band! How cool is that? Ooh, look at here! We've got Baby Shark with that cool hat and a guitar. Baby Shark is smiling while playing music. We drew his hands, and that's perfect. Look at the guitar. It's so cool. Do you like to add some music note around Baby Shark? That would be awesome.
Grandpa winks as the rhythm flows, and Baby Shark rocks with his guitar solos. Swinging sharks, oh, they've got the groove, playing jazzy beats to make you move. Grandma Shark sings, her voice so fine. Underwater music, it's their time to shine, Grandma sways with the flower on her fin. Her jazzy tunes make the dolphins grin.
Now, do you want to draw Grandpa Shark? Of course you do, our young Grandpa Shark. Grandpa Shark is the keyboard player in his jazz band. He also plays piano too. He is looking very stylish today. First, draw his big, kind eyes. Now, we need to draw his eyebrows. Grandpa Shark always looks friendly.
Make you move, Grandma Shark sings, her voice so fine. Underwater music, it's their time to shine. So dive on down where the music plays. With swinging sharks, you'll dance for days.
Don't forget to draw his mustache too.
Making every heart dance and sing.
Now let's draw his head. Grandpa Shark was the most stylish shark in the sea. He was so talented. He is still talented too. Look at that beautiful smile. Now, let's move on to his suit. Of course, he's wearing a suit.
While Baby strums his guitar, go, go, go. Swinging sharks, oh, they got the groove. Playing jazzy beats to make you move. Grandma Shark sings, her voice so fine. Underwater music, it's the time to shine. sways with a flower on her fin.
That's a very stylish coat. And here is his tie. Yes, Grandpa Shark's tie is under his coat.
Swinging sharks, oh, they got the groove, playing jazzy beats to make you move. Grandma Shark sings, her voice so fine.
Draw his hat with a curved top and add a small bound around it.
The crabs all sway, the ocean floor's a party every day.
Excellent job! You rock, Grandpa! Now let's move on to his keyboard. Do you know what time it is? It's time to draw a big rectangle. Yes, a big rectangle as a keyboard in front of him.
Dance for days in the ocean blue, they're the jazzy kings, making every heart dance and sing. Deep in the sea where the starfish glow, there's a jazzy little band putting on a show. Grandpa Shark taps the keys smooth and slow, while baby strums his guitar. Go, go, go. Swinging sharks, oh, they got the groove, playing jazzy beats to make you move. Grandma Shark sings, her voice so fine. Underwater music, it's the time to shine. Grandma sways with a flower on her fin.
Now, let's add lots of small black and white rectangles for the keys.
As the rhythm flows and Baby Shark rocks with his guitar solo.
Grandpa Shark is ready to play some amazing jazz tones.
Grandma Shark sings, her voice so fine. Underwater music.
Keep going, Grandpa Shark.
Turtles tap, the crabs all sway, the ocean floor's a party every day.
Kids, I want to tell you something. If something feels tricky, take a break and come back stronger. It's part of being an artist. It's totally fine. I'm proud of you anyway.
So dive on down where the music plays with swinging sharks. You'll dance for days in the ocean blue, they're the jazzy kings, making every heart dance and sing.
Are we missing someone? We've got Baby Shark with his guitar, and over here we've got Grandpa Shark with his keyboard, so... Oh, that's right! Grandma Shark, our beautiful singer. Let's draw Grandma Shark, the singer of the band. She loves to sing, and her voice is beautiful. Start by drawing her cheerful eyes and her happy smile. Let's draw the flower with 5 petals and a small circle in the middle. Let's draw Grandma Shark's fin. Now, let's move on to her microphone. Grandma Shark is holding the microphone in her hand as she sings. Draw a small rectangle for the handle and a circle for the top of the microphone. Because Grandma Shark is singing, so we should draw her sharp teeth too. Wow! Our jazz band is ready! How cool is that? Now all we have to do is to draw Grandma Shark's body. She loves music. I love her so much. They're all so talented. And finally, we drew her tail. Excellent. Look at that beautiful dress. You can add some beautiful details to her dress. Now, let's make our lines even darker and color inside of their eyes with black color. All done! Let's start with Baby Shark. Oh, I forgot. Let's color. Yes, it's coloring time. Our fun Baby Shark is yellow.
Sharks, oh, they got the groove, playing jazzy beats to make you move. Grandma Shark sings her voice so fine. Underwater music, it's the time to shine. Grandma sways with the flower on her fin. Her jazzy tunes make the dolphins grin. Grandpa winks as the rhythm flows, and Baby Shark rocks with his guitar solo. Swinging shark.
He's the happiest little shark. Now, let's color his hat blue and his guitar orange. Huh? What do you think? I think blue is good for his hat. Do you have a blue hat?
Rocks with his guitar solo. Swinging sharks, oh, they've got the groove. Playing jazzy.
I'm going to use red for this part too.
So fine. Underwater music, it's their time to shine.
And his guitar. Orange it is.
The ocean floor's a party every day. Fish join in with a cheerful cheer. Swinging sharks make the sound so clear.
Don't forget to color the strings of the guitar a darker shade for details. That's right, these parts. A darker color, yes. Excellent job.
Where the music plays with swinging sharks, you'll dance for.
Now, here is our beautiful Grandma Shark. Let's color her flower red. It's a beautiful color. And pink for the middle. What color is Grandma Shark? Of course, she is orange. Color along with me.
Where the starfish glow, there's a jazzy little band putting on a show. Grandpa Shark taps the keys, smooth and slow, while Baby strums his guitar. Go, go, go.
Perfect. Now, let's color inside of her mouth red.
Her voice so fine. Underwater music, it's the time to shine.
What color should we use for her beautiful dress? What do you think? What about green? Wow, that's excellent!
Oh, they've got the groove, playing jazzy beats to make you move. Grandma Shark sings, her voice so fine. Underwater music, it's their time to shine, to shine.
Microphone can be black or gray.
Her jazzy tunes make the dolphins grin. Grandpa winks as the rhythm flows, and Baby Shark rocks with his guitar solo. Swinging sharks, oh, they've got the groove.
Look at our cool Grandpa Shark. Her body is green. Excellent! Grandpa Shark is green. Let's color his face and hands green.
Join in with a cheerful cheer. Swinging sharks make the sound so clear. Swinging sharks, oh, they've got the groove. Playing jazzy beats to make you move. Grandma Shark sings, her voice so fine. Underwater music, it's their time.
What color do you think we should use for Grandpa's hat and suit? What about purple? Uh-huh, that's great. Let's use it.
Dance and sing.
Let's color this part of his hat red and tie too. Look at that amazing jazz band. Baby Shark is playing the guitar. Grandpa Shark is creating music melodies on the keyboard. And Grandma Shark is singing with all of her heart. Together, they make the perfect jazz team. Excellent! I love the way you use your pencils. Let's add some shadings and bubbles.
Winks as the rhythm flows and Baby Shark rocks with his guitar solo. Swinging sharks, oh, they've got the groove. Playing jazzy beats to make you move. Grandma Shark sings, her voice so fine. Underwater music, it's their time to shine, to shine. Grandma sways with the flower on her fin. Her jazzy tunes make the dolphins grin. Grandpa winks as the rhythm flows and Baby Shark rocks with his guitar solo. Swinging sharks, oh, they've got the groove. Playing jazzy beats to make you move. Grandma Shark sings, her voice so fine. Underwater music, it's their time to shine, to shine. Turtles tap, the crabs all sway. The ocean floor's a party every day. Fish join in with a cheerful cheer. Swinging sharks make the sound so clear. Swinging sharks, oh, they've got the groove. Playing jazzy beats to make you move. Grandma Shark sings, her voice so fine. Underwater music, it's their time to shine. So dive on down where the music plays. With swinging sharks, you'll dance for days. With the ocean blue, they're the jazzy kings, making every heart dance and sing.
We are almost done. And ta-da! Don't forget to clap for Baby Shark and his family. They love making music for you. See you soon!